Hey guys, good morning. This is Zol here, and you are watching KD Architect. So, welcome to KD Architect. So, today in this video, we'll see something new regarding IBC code. So, what is the extension at the top, and what is the extension at the bottom, beginning of the stair, and the extension regarding handrail, wall mount handrail. We'll see in detail in this video. We'll understand the what is the IBC specification for the handrail extension. So, for the better understanding, keep watching till end. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, we have over here we have some detailed description of IBC handrail extension, and over here I have a model wall mount handrail with the metal support. So I can explain the IBC code specification better. So we'll understand one by one. So starting from the first, so as per IBC 2018 section 1014.6 and also same in 2021 IBC. So the code says that handrail shall return to wall. That means let me explain over here. So सिंपल जो भी वॉल माउंट हैंडरेल है it should be written to wall. So as you can see over here, okay, let me uncheck this option, thin line option. Okay, now it looks fine. Now as you can see over here, the handrail is going over the stair and it is written to wall. So always the railing should be, handrail should be written to wall at the end of the stair as well as at the beginning of the stair. So the statement says this. Okay. Now second statement is at the top, handrail shall extend horizontally above landing for not less than 12 inch. That means, let me explain first on the floor plan. So over here, as you can see, this is our beginning of the stair of direction, and this is our end of the stair. Okay, so the statement says that at the top, the extension should not be less than 12 inch. So it says that minimum, it should be minimum 12 inch. So as you can see over here, so distance from this riser to end of the handrail horizontally should not be less than 12 inch. So in the plan, we can represent like this way. It should be minimum 12 inch, not less than 12 inch. So as you can see, I can see over here, I can show you on the 3D. So as you can see, the extension should be like this. So from the last riser, it should be at least 12 inch, and then it should be written to wall. So extension should be like this on the end of the stair, on the top of the stair. Now let's understand extension at the bottom, beginning of the stair. Now over here, as you can see, the last statement at the bottom, the handrail shall be continue to slope for the depth of one trade depth at the last riser noising, beyond the last riser noising. So let me explain from the plan view. Over here, just I have denoted some text so you can understand better. So this is our stair and starting from here, and this is our noising line, as you can see. So as you can see over here, statement says that one trade depth beyond the last riser noising. So this is our riser, beginning riser, and here this is the noising line. So noising line say यहाँ से it should be one trade depth. So suppose if I select this stair, so as you can see over here, actual trade depth is 11 inch. So for this stair, you can say we have trade depth is 11 inch. So this should be one trade depth, but direction is a matter over here. So as you can see over here in the 3D, let me show you particular front view over here. So as you can see, this is not flat, but it is in sloped position. So as you can see in the statement, handrail shall continue to slope for depth of one trade depth. So depth means extension जो है it should be up to one tread depth as you can see over here, but it should be in slope direction as you can see over here. So at the beginning it should be in sloped but having one tread depth extension, and at the top it should be minimum 12 inch, not less than 12 inch, but it should be horizontal. But at the start beginning it should be written to wall, and at the end it should be written to wall. So here just I have summarized few points. Top extension 12-inch horizontally sloped and top riser, that we have understood. Bottom extension sloped one tread depth beyond bottom riser, that also we have understood. And for the return must return to wall. So always it should be it must return to wall. So it was the handle extension specification as per IBC 2018 as well as 2021. Now let's jump to handrail height specification as per IBC. So as you can see, the section 1014.2 says that handrail height shall be 34 inches minimum and 38 inch maximum about this stair tread noising. So as you can see over here, handrail height should be minimum 34 inch, and it must be it not be greater than 38 inch. It means the maximum limit is 38 inch and minimum limit is 34 inch. So we can provide the handrail height in between 34 inch to 38 inch. So as you can see over here, just have model handrail. Okay, let me close this. Let me go to edit type over here. And as you can see over here, the height is 2 feet 10 inch. So over here, just I have kept a 2 feet 10 inch. That means 24 plus 10 inch. That means minimum 34 inch height we have over here provided. So this is the IBC specification for the handle height as well as extension at the top and extension at the bottom. So I hope you have understood the IBC code specification for the handrail extension for the bottom as well as height plus extension at the top. So if you really like our tutorial, please leave a like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.